press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
अगर लाइफ की एक फिल्म है तो हम लड़कियों की ओपनिंग हमेशा से सॉरी कह के होती है. लिविंग बाय व्हाट सोसाइटी सेज. डोंट यू थिंक दैट शुड चेंज टुडे? थोड़ा ढक लो, थोड़ा धीरे बोल लो, थोड़ा ठीक से बैठ, थोड़ी फिट हो जा. ये थोड़ा थोड़ा करके मचा दिया है शोर, पर नॉट एनीमोर. Talk too much to feminist. Laugh too much so she's easy. So much pressure to be thin when it's fun to actually sin. ना मैं sexy siren, ना मैं rebel webel. Why do people want to चिपका मुझे अपने label? Married तो auntie, single तो lame. Unmarried तो shame. To quote Shakespeare, what's in a name? क्यों खेलो ये गेम, सरनेम वाला गेम? ज्यादा पढ़ लिया तो ये चश्मिश, लिपस्टिक ज्यादा हो गई तो ये हीरोइन, घर लेट आऊं तो कैरेक्टर पे शक. ऑल आई वांट टू से इज वेयर द हेल इज माय हक? साइज 0 या XXL, इट्स आवर लाइफ, सो व्हाट द हेल. लेट्स गो ऑफ द टॉन्ट्स. दैट्स व्हाट वुमेन वांट. टू बी, टू लिव, टू लव, stay quiet, or just flaunt. It's here today, this moment, this mawsam. Be unapologetically sexy. Be unapologetically awesome.
Woohoo! That's Kareena Kapoor Khan for you, ladies and gentlemen. You know, Kareena, people always say, and have always said, that women are a mystery. But for the first time on radio history, we're about to decode what has been a very mushkil sawal. Dabur Amla presents What Women Want with Kareena Kapoor Khan, only on Ishq 104.8. Give it up for Kareena and for Ishq. Thoda pichu. Huh. All right. All right. It is amazing that I'm sharing the same stage with you, essentially because
we're going to be on the same radio platform
exactly.
now.
You're making your radio debut.
I'm not an actor here today. I'm an RJ, bro.
How is that feeling? Are you nervous? Because I was nervous the very first time I went on air.
Well, I mean, I was a little nervous, I have to be honest.
Like, you know, you're just pouring into something that you've never done before.
Never done before, never, though I know I sound quite nice. So it's all about
sexy.
No, but this show is not about sounding sexy.
Not
it's
at all.
about, I've actually had a lot of fun. And I mean, I hope it's just new for me.
You know, there's this thing that I took a while to learn. So, you know, you always start your, the moment you start talking and the fader goes up and you're like, you're listening to Ishq 104.8. My name is Mehan, this is Ishq Drive. Have you figured a little something like that for yourself?
Well, yeah, you're listening to 104.8 Ishq FM and this is Kareena Kapoor Khan.
What love!
Yeah, that's a little bit of a song as well. And of course, my show's tagline is also, let's do the Ishq, baby.
Let's do the Ishq, baby. All right, okay, so on to a little more serious subjects. You know, you've been the sort of woman who's really walked the talk, and you made no bones about it. Aise matlab screaming from the rooftops, oh, I'm expecting a child, but I'm also working, please look at me. You did none of that, and you never felt the need to do it as well. Where does all this strength come from? Some women in your life, or you're just really your own person?
I think everyone knows. Well, my mum, my sister, and me, all three of us women, are like the Holy Trinity. And I derive my strength from my mother and my sister, because for me, I think they're two of the strongest women that have influenced me. My mother, of course, you know, being a single parent, and has been absolutely amazing at it. My sister is now a single mother and is doing a fantastic job. And I think the kind of love and respect that I've seen in them, I know exactly like what someone said in the crowd right now, that's exactly what every woman actually strives for in her life.
That's fantastic. To put it simply, that's what a woman wants. You know, it's amazing. The women that you quote, of course, are in your immediate family, but it's also true that I stated a moment ago that if this woman wants anything, she wants to do anything, she will. It's a really strong resolve to have. And there are women out there who have very much led the single mom's life and done different kinds of accomplishment, really fought all kinds of odds, tired stereotypes, and we want to acknowledge them right here tonight.
I think we're going to definitely do that, and that's what the show is also about, you know. It's just when, of course, we have a lot of celebrities coming onto our show, whether it's been Karishma, Soha. We've had Sunny Leone talk about how she got accepted in India, changing her country, doing all of that, coming here to work.
But such a tough profession.
Absolutely. Yeah. And to be accepted, not knowing the language, doesn't know Hindi, a lot of things. So we've had, of course, the celebrity part, but we've also had a lot of people, real people, non-celebrities come and talk to us about their journeys, their life, what has inspired them, how they have fought, whether it's racism, whether it's, it's their body shaming. We've had interesting people come and tell us their stories. And I think that is what I've learned over the show. I've actually got so inspired by all of them,
really
who've actually come out there and to actually talk about it so openly on radio. I have to thank them, and it's so commendable to actually do that, and let people hear their stories.
And we can't wait to hear their stories too. All right, let's begin acknowledging these women. All right, let's call upon Anmol Rodriguez on the stage. She is, I'm blind, I cannot see anyone. Where do we have? All right, let me give a brief introduction on Anmol. She used to work for a multinational corporation, and she was a victim of acid attack. And it so happened that her company disowned her because they couldn't put up with an unconventional face like that, to put it politely. And this woman, she said, "See ya, suckers, I don't care, I'm going to be a muser." Which, by the way, I just realized a musically user is a muser. Yeah,
oh, okay.
And
now
she has about 77,000 followers on Musical.ly, about 118,000 on Instagram. This woman is killing it. Anmol Rodriguez, बहुत हो गया build up. कहाँ हो भाई? There she is. There she is. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
यार ऐसा है, you claim to be the happiest woman on earth. इतना बड़ा claim तो मैं life में भी नहीं बना सकती. Like, this is a happy day for me. I can't call myself the happiest woman on earth. Where do you get all the strength from, yeah?
First of all, मैं खुद की favorite हूँ. और मैं खुद को हैप्पीएस्ट इसलिए मानती हूँ कि जो भी चीज़ें होती है जो मुझे सैड करती है या निगेटिव करती है, मैं वो चीज़ों को साइड रखती हूँ, उनको ज़्यादा मैं उनको उस चीज़ों को ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं करती हूँ, उनसे ओवरकम कर लेती हूँ, तो इस वजह से शायद मैं हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन हूँ.
What an inspiration. Let's have it.
Thank you, बहुत शुक्रिया to come here and come in front of all of us. I'm so happy कि आप इस मंच पर मेरे साथ खड़ी है. This for me it's a very big thing. Thank you so much for coming and being a part of this launch of my radio program. Thank you so much. अपनी जो आप इवनिंग में जो आप स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी करती हैं, थोड़ा आप उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए हमारे गेस्ट को।
मैं एक सवाल पूछूं, परमिशन है? यार मैंने ना आपका फर्स्ट वीडियो देखा था एंड आई वाज लाइक मैम, जब अपने एम्प्लॉयर के घर पहली बार जाएंगे, जब आपका वीडियो आ जाएगा तो उनका रिएक्शन कैसा होगा यार?
बहुत अच्छा था।
क्या बोली वो
खुश हो गए, बोले वाह मम्मी। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था उनको। पहले तो ना बोल रहे थे, मत करो, तुमसे नहीं होगा, तुम घर काम करो। तो मैं बोली नहीं, मैं करके दिखाऊंगी।
फैंटास्टिक।
तो दीपिका मात्रे हूँ। पहले मैं मेड का काम करती थी, अब स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी करती हूँ। मैं मतलब खाना बनाने का काम करती थी। उस बिल्डिंग में एक संगीता व्यास करके मैडम है, उन्होंने एक प्रोग्राम अरेंज किया भाई लोग के लिए। तो बोले कि आप लोग एक दिन एंजॉय करो, गाना गाओ, डांस करो, जो भी करना है करो। मेरी बहन ने गाना गाया, मैंने कॉमेडी किया। तो मेरा कॉमेडी फेमस कॉमेडियन आदिति मित्तल को पसंद आया। तो उसने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया। हर एक स्टेप वो मुझे बताती रहती है, ऐसा करने का, वैसे करने का, सब सिखाती रहती है। अभी तक मैं उसके साथ हूँ, आगे भी उसके साथ ही रहूँगी। थैंक यू।
Geeta Tandon. She's had a very difficult childhood. She's had a pretty abusive marriage, and she somehow channeled all that pain, all that agony into becoming one of the most important stunt women and body doubles for the Indian film industry. Give it up.
She's done a few films with me, if I'm not mistaken, Ravan also.
I had a feeling I would ask you.
Yeah, Singham also. Yeah.
Urta Panjam and Singham.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, I remember. So nice.
You know, it really messes with me. Like if I face someone like you, I'm like, no nonsense औरत है, इसको मैं कोई ज्ञान नहीं दे सकती.
She's done movies like Singham. She knows exactly what she's doing.
What it takes.
What it takes.
But I'll ask you one thing. For someone who has basically just given and given so much in life, right? What could a woman possibly like you want out of life? Deep सवाल.
कुछ नहीं, आज़ादी.
Oh damn. Well said.
Yeah, that sums it all.
Also now, moving on to our final winner of the night. I've had the privilege of actually having met her in two separate occasions. And one of them was organized by Sheroes. If you don't know already, Sheroes is one of those platforms, online platforms, which really is all exclusive to women. Women can be a part of this platform and they deal with issues around healthcare, family planning, finances, just so that women can find a safe space, a safe haven where they can have conversations and really nurture and grow among each other. And one such Sheroes is Indu Nair. Please give it up for this lady. She has been a single mom, and it was a great reference from when you told me.
Absolute honor and a pleasure and a privilege to be here at this platform. Thank you so much, Ishq FM, and thank you so much, Sheroes, for giving me this honor. And Kareena, you are absolutely marvelous. No, so I'm having a fangirl moment here.
No, please. We'd love to hear from you what you think women want.
Women want freedom. Women want to feel liberated. women just want to be themselves. So just let us be. Thank you. And there's a small little something for Kareena. So I am a big fan of your film Jab We Met. I must have seen it at least 500,000 times and cried my heart out at least 500,000 times. So there's just a couplet that I want to sing for you. I'm a trained classical singer. So, Kareena, this is for you. On behalf of all your fangirls out there in the universe, so I'm just presenting it since I have the privilege of sharing stage with her.
I think it's time that I acquaint you with the entire Ishq fam. And if you know Ishq really well, we have a bazillion WhatsApp groups, all of us. Yeah, you're not doing Ishq if you're not on 100 WhatsApp groups. So we figured that we'll probably have you also on one of the WhatsApp groups. And we will get your number also in the process. Where's your mic?
आरजे सेल्फी
एक सेल्फी ले लेते हैं बट एक कोई स्पॉक बन जाओ और मुझे बताओ व्हाट डू women want बस just like I know we've done this.
You know what? I was just thinking about it that I might as well give you an answer which might shut your shop right away. Yes. What women want? I have the answer. All my life, the entire experience that I have, I think it's not me. That's... So yeah, that's what I thought. But all the best. Welcome aboard.
Okay, मुझे ना वहाँ से ऐसे टिकर चला जा रहा है. So let's get a photo real quick. Do we have a show of hands? No? Nobody wants to know anything? I feel like someone raised their hand right at the center. I don't know what that was for.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Karina. Bhavna this side from Z. Karina, आपका बहुत काम दिखा है, आपकी बहुत फैन फॉलोइंग है, सब आपको बेहद पसंद करते हैं. What made you say yes to a radio show?
I think when Ishq 104.fm came to me for a show, I think I was also surprised. I was like, okay, I've never been on radio. I've never done this medium, before in my life. So I was very nervous. But जब मैंने concept सुनी, and when they said that this is actually what they want to talk about, and the show would be about what women want, I think this is the perfect time for me to have dived into something like this. It's unknown territory, but I think it's territory that we need to speak about. It's a topic that we need to address. We need to talk about different kind of things, and I think I'm glad they felt I was perfect for it. Because yes, I have been very vociferous all my life. I have always had an opinion. And I think it's time women speak out. And I think it's going to be a fabulous, fabulous show. So I've just dived into it. Woo! And I would love to, know the reaction. But I'm here for the women. I'm here to talk about women. And I'm here because I'm a proud woman. So I would love to represent all of us gorgeous ladies out there.
Your show is what women want. अगर हम आपसे पूछे करीना क्या चाहती है, कौन सी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आप चाहती हैं?
Well, I mean, I've always been someone who has wanted to follow her heart. जो भी मैंने किया है अपने life में, lot of people जब मैं शादी करने वाली थी, सबने कहा कि शादी मत करो, करियर खत्म हो जाएगा, कोई प्रोड्यूसर नहीं मिलेगा, कुछ काम नहीं मिलेगा. शादी के बाद इतनी काम कर रही हूँ मैं कि I'm like, अरे नहीं, मुझे अब नहीं करना है यार. तो I have always been one of those women who've always done things that I wanted to do, and I wouldn't listen to anyone else.
And you're doing more.
And I'm doing more, and I will always continue. So I hope that I can always follow my heart. That's what I want to do.
Great. All the best. Thank you.
Anyone else?
Hi, Karina. Ravi from ABP News. Karina, पहले जब टेलीविज़न का इतना जोर नहीं था, सैटेलाइट चैनल्स इतने नहीं थे, रेडियो बहुत लोग सुनते थे, रेडियो पे जो प्रोग्राम्स आते थे, गाने आते थे, ऐसे कोई नॉस्टैल्जिक आपकी यादें हैं जो आप बता सकती कि रेडियो पे आप सुना करती थी, किसी को फॉलो करती थी, कुछ बता सकती हैं?
I think huge fan of Amin Sayani ji. Radio, I mean, is like his... Yeah, I think his voice is synonymous with radio. I mean, through my childhood and everything. And I think aajkal jo hai, I think radio, it's not just about radio. I'd like to just say that. Today, it's all about content. It can be on any medium. Chahe wo web ho, chahe wo radio ho, chahe wo stage ho, theatre ho. Everything doesn't have to be on the big screen today. I mean, actors like Saif are also acting in films like Sacred Games, which is giving new actors a lot of potential to be seen, for their talent to be explored on stage. And I've also come from a family where we've done a lot of theatre, we've done a lot of film, we've done a lot of different kind of avenues. So for me to dive into radio, I think it's fine. It's an art. It's a form of, I think it's in fact tougher than also acting, I would say. I really respect all the RJs behind the mic because there is a lot of talking, and I mean, I think you have to constantly be on your toes. You have to be entertaining even as an RJ. I'm sorry. I think it's a lot of hard work.
Every single day.
Every single day, every single minute. And I'm actually having the time of my life that I'm exploring this new avenue.
करीना, एक सवाल और कि हाल ही में संडे को कॉफी विद करण में सैफ अली खान और सारा खान अपीयर हुए थे, और उस एपिसोड की बहुत चर्चा हो रही है कि अब तक का बेस्ट एपिसोड है कॉफी विद करण का. क्या आपने देखा और आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि काफ़ी बोल्ड किस्म की बातें भी हुई सारा और सैफ के बीच में?
Well, all I can say is I'm sure it's definitely the best episode because जो guests थे दोनों, सारा और सैफ, they are a deadly combination of beauty and brains, which is quite rare in the industry.
What she said.
Hi, Karina, this is Tanmaya here from Radio and Music. Karina, I want to ask you that just as you said that a lot of celebrities have come on this show, So, which is one celebrity, like a female one, that you would like to have on your show, apart from your sister and your mother, whom you think is a woman of substance?
Well, we've had some interesting people. I can't tell you too many names, but we're still shooting. Of course, we're still recording and shooting episodes. But जैसे मैंने कहा, we've had Sunny Leone, we've had the Tinder CEO Taru Kapoor also on our show. It's not necessary that एक स्टार होना ज़रूरी है या सेलिब्रिटी ऐसे होना ज़रूरी है. We've had Faye D'Souza, who's a journalist. We've had some interesting topics, interesting people. So through this journey, through this radio journey, I think I have met so many different people that I would have never imagined. जो हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, हम तो सिर्फ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं.
I was going to ask you, you just get caught up in that
yeah,
world, no?
You're only meeting कि फिल्म पार्टीज पे जा रहे हैं, फिल्म पार्टीज से मिल रहे, फिल्म को लोगों को मिल रहे हैं, उसी बातें हो रही है, we're discussing about movies. But I think through this radio show, it has actually taken me into avenues that opened my world and hearing their stories. So an interesting episode which I would love you all to watch, is also of the Tinder CEO, Taru Kapoor's. I really enjoyed that. Really enjoyed talking to her.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Kareena towards the back. This is Priyanka from Indian Express. Kareena, you said that how you've always followed your heart, you know, as far as your career is concerned. But you think in the film industry, it's difficult for actresses to follow their heart, because the kind of industry it is, it's heavily sexist. It's constantly telling its women to be a certain way, to look a certain way. They lose out on roles if they speak up. So as far as your experience goes, do you think it's difficult for actresses?
I think in any field there would be this issue. Of course, we hear about it a lot because we're in the film industry, and you know, a lot of reporting is done through, you know, okay, this has happened with so-and-so, that has happened with this producer, this director, this actor. We get to hear a lot about all of this, but I'm sure it's everywhere. But I think, talking about the film industry today, I think we are giving a lot of chances today. I think we have a lot of opportunities, a lot of good characters. We have path-breaking actors, be it Radhika Apte, be it the girl in Sacred Games, Kubra. I mean, today we're getting these kind of girls who are fighting it back and doing these kind of roles, which is brilliant. So I think we have to have gumption as actors and actresses that this is what we're going to do. And be it on any medium, it doesn't have to be. I mean, I think, you know, talking about Sacred Games has given opportunities to so many people. So, I mean, I think a lot of women out there are having the gumption to take up these roles, and color, shape, size, nothing matters. You know, we want to do hard work, your talent will succeed. And that's what I think we are building up to that.
Touche. All right, I think we have room for one more question.
Kareena, hi. I'm Nikita here from Zoom. You're looking lovely, by the way. When your tagline says what women want, what comes to my mind is, with everything that's happened today, do you feel that the industry gives women the safe environment to work? And do you think that women require more than what the industry is giving in terms of security in the workplace?
Of course, that's what we want, and that's what we address, we're talking about. We're openly having conversation today. The fact that so many women have come out and spoken, I think that's a start. The fact is that earlier people have not spoken for years. Today people have come out. And I really appreciate those women who've actually had the courage to stand up and talk. And that is going to help all of us change our workplace, give us security. And whoever it is, big or small, there's no place. It has to be safe. Actors, it doesn't matter whether you could be the biggest superstar or the smallest, but women have to be secure. And the most important thing is that we have to keep the momentum going. We have to keep the conversation alive. And once we keep that alive, a lot will change.
Do you feel in the sense that the industry should also regard to what they've said and do properly take a stand as to what happened, believe the women and do something about it? Or do you think? I think
we are doing that. A lot has been assessed, a lot of stand has been taken, and we're waiting. I mean, I'm sure legal course is also being taken. So many women have spoken out, and so much has happened. I mean, for years, people would like hide behind the curtain. I think today we're openly having a discussion about it. So it's a huge change.
All right, I guess we'll have to close this right about now. Really cutting on time.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Anjali.
Can we do one question? I'm really so sorry. We won't be able to accommodate another question. Really apologize for that. Yeah? One last question. Bas, aur nahi milega.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Anjali Chaturvedi from Aaj Tak. मैम मेरा आपसे ये सवाल है कि ये शो जैसे महिलाओं के बारे में है तो क्या इस शहर की आम महिलाएं भी इस शो से जुड़ सकती हैं?
ये शो खास करके लिए आम महिलाओं के लिए है. हम लोग ने वी आर ट्राइंग टू रीच आउट टू द मास, वी आर ट्राइंग टू रीच आउट टू हर लड़की हर औरत के लिए ये शो है. हम लोग ने आई थिंक वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट टॉपिक्स जो हर लड़की प्रॉबेबली अपने घर पर बात नहीं करेगी, बट शी वुड लिसन टू दिस शो एंड आई एम होपिंग दैट उनमें कॉन्फिडेंस और स्ट्रेंथ आ जाएगा दैट ओके फाइन पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस काइंड ऑफ टॉपिक्स.
तो फिर वो इससे कैसे जुड़ सकती है मैम?
क्योंकि सेलिब्रिटीज की भी आम लाइफ्स होती है ना प्राइवेटली.
जुड़ने का मैम पूछ रही हूँ कि मतलब जुड़ कैसे सकती हैं?
नहीं, आई थिंक जैसे एक एपिसोड है हमने शादी के बारे में बात किया है, हमने ओपनली सेक्स के बारे में बात किया है. दीज आर टॉपिक्स दैट पीपल प्रॉबेबली डोंट वांट टू एड्रेस. अपने घर पर बात भी नहीं कर रहे हैं आजकल लोग, बट होपफुली थ्रू लिसनिंग टू आवर शो एंड लिसनिंग टू डिफरेंट विमेन्स स्टोरीज दे वुड कम एंड एड्रेस दीज इशूज. Every woman would relate, every married woman, every young aspiring woman to get married. There's topics on love, there's topics on marriage, there's topics on everything.
settle down, please. बहुत एकदम से क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? Please settle down. Requesting everyone to calm down. We have a beautiful evening lined up ahead. It is not over yet. Picture abhi baki hai. But before we get into that, before I get into the surprise of it all, I need you to say something for us because you're the one hosting the show, and it's only fitting if you say Dabur Amla presents yada yada yada. Go for it.
Well, yes, of course. Don't forget, my show is called Dabur Amla Presents on Ishq 104.8 FM, which is the name of the show. Don't forget, you guys say it now. You guys have to say it. What? And one.
I have a surprise for you guys. I wonder what that surprise is. ये क्या है? ऐसे नहीं ruin करते हैं surprise. All right. Okay, clearly nobody seems to be backing me up here. I will have a special guest joining in, and I was about to have her sing right behind, but वो हो नहीं रहा है.